Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer your Roblox account to another device. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, you'll find this kind of interface. From here, go ahead and tap on login. Inside the login screen, you will then be able to find an option that says use another device. Go ahead and tap onto it. And just like that, you'll see two options. You can either get a QR code or a set of letters. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and stick to this letters. Go ahead and simply copy it. And after that, you need to go ahead and simply switch to your phone. So go ahead and simply open up Roblox in your mobile device and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, you will then be able to find an option that says more at the bottom right corner. Tap onto it. So once you're inside this kind of interface, scroll below, then tap on quick sign in. Just like that, you need to go ahead and simply enter the code from other device that you just copied. Once done, tap on enter. And just like that, once you enter the code, you need to go ahead and simply go back to your computer and then tap on confirm login. And that's it. Your account will instantly log in on the new device. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.